Hi everyone, this is Toluca, aka Markers and Minions, and at the moment my kids are out at PE, so I thought this would be the perfect time to come in and film a video for my Tuesday tip. So today's tip for you all is how to access the inquiry-based learning projects that come with our curriculum. First of all, what is an inquiry-based project? An inquiry-based project is an opportunity for the kids to solve or investigate a real-world problem or challenge based around this big guiding question. They connect to all the 21st century skills such as collaboration, use of technology, critical thinking skills, and problem solving. And they follow this four-part model. The first part is the investigate. So the students have to generate questions, make observations, explore, and problem solve. The second model is, or the second step, is the create. So they have to create some sort of product. It can be a video, an audio recording, a journal, an experiment, any kind of way to express their learning. So it's very UDL. And then the third part is their presentation. They have to learn their presentation, their speaking and listening skills. They have to present this project in some form. And then the fourth part is the reflect and respond. So after all the presentations are done, the kids discuss, reflect on what they've learned and on their own experiences, and as well as what they've learned from the other students in their class. So that's an overview of what the inquiry-based projects are. Now, where to find them? In your TE, the very back, there's a tab called Additional Resources. Go to that. This is basically what I overviewed just now, what an inquiry-based project is. And then these are the ones that come with your unit, your grade level. So normally there's one that connects to science, one that connects to social studies, and then one that's a challenge one. So for mine, for Unit 1, 3rd grade, it would be to hold a classroom election, which was really fun last year because there was the actual election going on. And then number 2 would be propose and improve the school project, which is what I'm going to talk about in a minute. And then the third one that they have is design a new way to vote. So that would be the challenge one. It's very NGSS designing and whatnot. So for my students last year, yes?
Could you send Vincent to the office for a moment, please?
He's at PE.
Okay, thank you. Oh, I didn't plan that well, did I?
Nope.
All right, thanks.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, teacher life, 50 things at once. Where was I? So last year, what we did was we did improve the community project. So it was kind of a spin-off of the Improve the School project. And so what my kids did was we brainstormed a problem that we have in our community and possible solutions to it and what they could feasibly do to make an impact. So they came up with the issue of homelessness in our town, that we've seen a lot more homeless people in the last few years, and they wanted to help them out. So essentially we got in touch with the mayor and the person who runs our local temporary aid center, and we collaborated with them to come up with some sort of donation that would make a big impact. The kids decided that they wanted to create survival kits. So they were these little backpacks with all these different toiletries and things that the homeless people would use. And they did chores and they raised money, and I took it all to Dollar King and I bought these pieces and we assembled them in class, and then we went and actually delivered them after school one day with the mayor. And it was a really cool thing, and we had the newspaper there, and so the kids were in our local newspaper. So anyway, we're going to do something like that again this year. And so I created this little packet to help guide my kids. I'm going to be uploading it, so if you're interested, I can put the link. This outlines basically what you as the teacher are going to be doing step by step. Brainstorming ideas. This is for if you want to do and improve the community. This is if you want to do improve the school project, like just locally. From there, they have to brainstorm their guiding question and ways to solve the problem. Then they have to come up with a plan. So here's a collaboration piece, any materials, a timeline. Here they write their proposal, and this is what they're actually going to be presenting in front of the class. They write their feedback that they get from their peers. And then from here, they get to write their letter. So last year I had my kids write to the mayor asking if he would like to join us and if he would like to make donations also. So they'll write a letter and then we'll send this off. This is geared towards 3rd grade, but can certainly be used in any upper elementary class. I know in 2nd grade and in 1st grade, the focus of Unit 1 is still like being a good citizen and working together. So you could probably incorporate something like this as well, maybe on a smaller scale. And what else? I think that's it. I think that's everything that I wanted to share with you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.